Hello everybody, I'm Nilanjana. Welcome to my channel. This video is on DIY bookmark ideas. Bookmarks are really helpful, and in this video I'm going to share with you 5 DIY bookmark ideas. So without wasting time, let's get started. For the first DIY, you will need a black chart paper and then draw an outline of a beetle on it and then cut it out. Then draw a wing of a beetle on a red chart paper and then also cut it out. Attach that wing on the beetle. Now make small black dots on the wings of the beetle. Now take this type of a clip and then attach the clip on the back side of the beetle by using glue. Now the cute beetle bookmark is ready. You can also use this bookmark instead of a paperweight. For this DIY, draw a rectangle on the red chart paper and then cut it out like this. After that, draw a triangle on a white paper and then cut it out also. Attach the white triangle on the red paper by using glue. Then take a white art paper and then fold it like this and attach the folded part by using glue. After that, affix the YouTube symbol at the top of the folded paper by using glue. Take any type of small piece of cardboard paper, then cut an art paper according to that cardboard paper. Then I am drawing a sunset view on the white art paper by using acrylic color. I am not explaining all the steps of drawing, just follow what I am doing. If you want, you can also use watercolor. Now I am drawing a flamingo on it. Now attach it on this cardboard paper by using glue. After that, make a hole at the top. Then insert a thread like this. Now this bookmark is ready. For the next DIY, take a small cardboard paper, then cut 2 art paper pieces according to that cardboard paper. Now attach the 2 art paper pieces on the both sides of that cardboard paper. Then cut out many small triangles from red and yellow chart paper. You can obviously go for another color. Attach those small triangles on one side of that cardboard piece. Now for the another side, I am using small coloring rounded paper. Again I am attaching all those rounded coloring paper on the cardboard piece. Then make a hole at the top of the cardboard piece. Insert a thread and make a knot like this. Now it is ready. For this DIY, make 4 squares on a white art paper like this. I have mentioned the measurement on the screen. Then cut that art paper like this. Now fold this part. Then fold this another part like this. Attach the folded part by using glue. Then you have to draw like this on a black chart paper and then also cut it out. Now attach it by using glue. Then I am drawing a rabbit face cartoon on it. This cartoon bookmark is ready. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and also turn on the bell icon. Goodbye for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.